Hello friends, today I am going to show you painting with blade. Children, please don't try this art. I take online classes for freehand fabric painting. For blade painting, take acrylic or fabric colors on flat tile. Then with blade, take the color. Now on thick sheet or canvas, you can do blade painting. Now I am drawing a face with blade. You can draw a sketch or do freehand blade painting. I am painting a rose with acrylic golden yellow, orange and little crimson. Sap green for leaves. This is another blade painting. I am painting a rose with crimson and maroon color. This is a bit different rose. There are many variety of roses and I teach online roses course also. Take sap green for calyx and leaves. like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. Keep watching my channel for more interesting videos on different variety of flowers. Until then, see you. Bye bye.